Kunga Park. Kunga Park is an emerging park located in Tirutama, Kunjalapur of Rupandehi district of Nepal. It's a local holding spot which provides plenty of items for the entertainment of children, including swings, sliders, a garden with abundant space for rest enjoyment, sports for picnic, a 400-year-old people tree with a temple which have its own importance and significance. Thus, the park is considered as the best place to be visited with the friends and families and make a holiday enjoyable and memorable. Visitors also can enjoy the boating at cheap price. Hence, Kunga Park is very good place to spend your days with your loving people and chill out with them.
के छ हालको बिस्तारै 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 मार्छौ बे नेपाली भाषा बुझ्छन् होला नि ओ बहिनी ल ल ल
फर्स्ट हुनु
हस्
यता कुञ्जलापुर जान्छ दिदी
कुञ्जलापुर जान्छ दिदी कुञ्जलापुर ए हस् धन्यवाद हामी आइयो कुञ्जलापुर
हल्लो हल्लो
अझै माथि गराइदियो
गरिदेऊ भाइ सही हो सही हो
गयो भनेको यार